Welcome to IMG. My name is Manny Iglesias. Folks, the markets continue to do quite well. They've been doing well on a short term basis, they've been doing long term quite well. Also, remarkable. There's no question that the market has been performing. Question is, what are you doing? There's something that I hear an awful lot that really concerns me. An awful lot of people that I speak to, both traders and investors. They make comments like, I knew it. I knew that was going to happen. And perhaps they did. But the most important question is, what did you actually do about it? What did you do? Did you take action? Did you acquire positions? Did you buy at that price that you knew, that you suspected was going to materialize? Did you do the right thing and participate? If you knew it, that's the question. And that's the most important thing that we need to recognize. I'm looking at a couple of my notes because I don't want to skip or forget some of my thoughts. Folks, risk is a beautiful thing. Risk is something that must be embraced because without it, how are you going to achieve an above average return? If you don't accept a degree of risk, the only thing you're ever going to accomplish is a basic interest rate return or the leftovers of something that offers total or close to total protection. Embrace risk. That's how you make and how you can build a position with an above average return by accepting risk. This is very important. When you see a position and again, you've studied the situation technically or fundamentally, it makes sense and it's at your price point, then simply take action. Initiate the position without now bringing in a set of emotions that didn't exist because you already had, within your own studies, concluded that this price point was attractive and I was going to take action. So follow through on your own plans, but follow through. Folks, diversification is such an interesting topic. Diversification is something that is imperative once you've built up a significant portfolio. And now you take steps to diversify and protect that underlying growth that you have accomplished. But in order to get to that point, you need to somewhere along the line, bases your thoughts, your analysis, and what you wish to invest in. You need to take a stake, a significant position, or build by compounding a significant position in order to potentially have a nice and above average return. It's an impossibility unless you build a position and acquire a reasonable amount of product for you to have a return that is going to be of any significance and meaningful in regards to your overall portfolio. For any other thoughts, any assistance in helping you work out these basic but very important issues and initiating positions, learning a tad more about when to take advantage of price breaks and how to limit your exposure on profitable positions by taking X amount of product off the table, all these strategies and much, much more we can discuss comfortably. But you need to contact IMG. I wish you all the very best.